Banza Jira connector for Creatio complements the base functionality of the project section. It allows for financial profit and expenditure estimates of projects that will be entered into Jira. Import and Creatio data from Jira that allows you to quickly and easily calculate costs and profits for projects or epics in Jira, view resources were involved, time spent, and a list of tasks created, their status, responsibilities, and tasks log. Use cases are keeping financial statements for a large number of projects, resource allocation management, tracking the status of the flow of work on the project. And about key features. Banza Jira connector for Creatio allows you to integrate a list of tasks from Jira into Creatio, their log work, indicating the labor costs and responsible and current status. Separately, output also responsible for the list of resources detail, indicating the total time spent on all tasks of the project or epic that allows you to quickly make financial calculations. To configure this connection, I have to press the Open Connection Settings item from the action list and I'm filling the files. Server URL. Specify the location of Jira resource in the network. For example, now it supports Banza.com. Login. Specify the username that accesses the resource. In this case, the secure login for integration. Password. Enter the specified user's password. To import data from Jira, I have to fill the system's lookups. Now I'm going to Lookup section. Jira user. There are Jira users and their connection with the system in the lookup. The new users will be created automatically if no existing contact in the system was imported by filling in the file's name and email. Duplicates are searched by the file email. Then Jira status. There are task status in Jira. Jira project. There are Jira projects. And the last one, Jira epic. These epics and their connection with status. To import data to Jira lookups, I'm running the import lookup data from Jira process through one of three available options. Through the command line, through the sidebar, or integration autorun. For example, I would like to run the process through the sidebar. In order to do this, I have to press the Run Process button on the system sidebar. About integration autorun. Jira integration autorun exists at 1 a.m. according to the system time zone. To cancel or change integration autorun, I have to select the existing record on the integration schedule detail. And to cancel integration autorun, change the enabled file value to no. To change the integration autorun frequency of launching, fill the cron expression file in cron format. To import the Jira task list and specify details on it, for example, costs, users, and the status, I have to do next steps. Go to the project section and open the existing project record. Open the Journal Information tab and scroll to the Jira group and Jira's epics detail. And fill the files on Open Editing page. Jira project. I have to select the Jira project to import. Last sync time. The last import load date and time auto-update after the import is completed. And Jira's epics, or project epics to import. There are all epics in the specified project. In case no epic is chosen, all project tasks are available for search. To update the data for all created projects and lookups, I'm going to the Actions menu of the Product section and Actualize Project and Jira lookups pressed from the action list. To update only lookups, I have to go to the Actions menu of the Project section and Actualize Project and Jira lookups pressed from the action list. To update only lookups, I have to go to the Actions menu of the Project section and press Actualize Jira.